Where are we going?
We're going to do the bridge climb.
The bridge climb! We're on our way to do the Harbour Bridge Climb at the moment. And Auckland Harbour Bridge Climb. And it's so sunny today. It was cloudy earlier, like about an hour ago. And it's gotten sunny and it's going to be fun. But I don't think you can take anything up with you in case you drop it on the motorway. So that's okay though. We are waiting to go up now. We basically just signed our lives away saying that if we fall off the bridge and die, it's our own fault. And we get to wear onesies. So we're going to go up there and climb over. So I have my trendy suit on. And this. And we get to wear a helmet as well. And of course sunglasses. Start. So we just finished the climb and we got a little certificate, I don't know what the certificate's really for, just saying that we did it, and some photos, so we'll just put them after this little clip here rather than trying to show you. What did you think of it?
Yeah, it was good.
Good, good. We're just going to go and take some photos with the camera of the bridge and yeah, probably go and get some lunch because I'm hungry.
Oh no.
Lunchtime now, and we're going to Sitting Duck Cafe. Never been there before. It's on the harbour, if you can see. Oh. So yeah, I guess we'll show you what we get if we end up staying here. We'll see. So that place didn't have anything that we wanted. I really feel like chicken, so hopefully we'll be able to find a place. We're just going to drive around. It's still so sunny at the moment and clear blue skies. It was supposed to rain today. More than likely it'll rain later on, but for now it's nice and sunny.
That island looks
It's a volcano. Actually, there's quite a few volcanoes around Auckland, so it's nothing new, but that one is one that you can walk up and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Done it a few times before. So we decided on burger fuel instead and to eat it by the beach just because it's such a nice day and it looks so good and it tastes so good. Where is it? Basically this is what we're looking at. So nice today.
I don't think they'll take it from your hand.
I don't know. They might. Maybe we have to give them one first.
Watch them all flock at it. You seen what you started now?
Gonna feed a chip to a seagull and hope that it doesn't bite my finger off. Oh my god! Take two. Oh my god! Shit. This is actually really scary. This is a raincast chip, but people are probably going to hate us for feeding these birds now because they're going to bug everyone as soon as we leave. And of course, if you're going to have burgers, you need to have LNP. Another thing that's really cool about Mission Bay is this thing here. In the way. Not really.
Cool.
Giant fountain, and of course there's kids swimming in it. It's pretty cool. Trav pointed out that you might not actually know what LNP is. If you're not from New Zealand, take a guess at what LNP is and let me know if you actually have it or not. I think they might have it in Australia, but I don't know where else they'd have it, just because it is a New Zealand drink and things in New Zealand aren't often worldwide.